Hey guys, Dr. Josh Jagoda here, and today we're going to unbox a new toy that we got into our office. So if you have seen some of the percussor guns out there on the market, well, we have one, but now we have two. So we bought a new one because we feel that the technology of this group and this product is great, because we do have the other product and it works great. So we're going to unbox it and show you what we have going on today with our new product. So I'm really excited to actually use it. And can you guess what it is? If you're watching this video, you probably can. So it is the HyperIce Hypervolt. So we're going to undo it. I'm going to toss this down to the side, and we're going to open this bad boy up. Really pretty cool stuff. It's a little bit different than the other ones, and the reason we really got this one is, one, like I said, I really like the technology that the other product has, and it seems to be quieter from all the other things I've heard about, as well as some of the you know, the noises that I've heard from the actual other product that I already currently have, like I said. So what we'll do is, it comes in this fancy box here, and of course we have, you know, a little thank you, registration, quiet glide technology, talking a little bit about you know, the power in the palm of your hand type thing. So operation manual, specs, things like that, a little intro to other products, which I already have. So anyway, so let's get back to this one. We have a charger here, and what's cool, and one of the reasons why we decided to embark on this journey of the Hypervolt as well, is really because there's a few things in here that it's got multiple interchangeable heads. So here's the battery here. Here's the piece that you're going to be turning on. And let's just, instead of jamming things together, we'll just look at it like this. And that's where it seems to go in, just like that, okay? Good. Alright, so we'll just kind of find the glide right there and push it in. Snaps it in. Power is on when I do this, and it has a green little light there. So that's how you know if the power is on. Also, on the back of all their equipment, so we know that it comes charged out. There is like a rubber grip here, so you can feel that. It's quite a little heavy on the top, but it's not that heavy. I do have the Tim Tam, but here is the battery reading here. So if we kind of take a look, you can see it's fully charged. So it's really nice to know that this product does come, at least this one came fully charged. There is a button right there, right above it, and you press it 3 times. Again, I know because I've used this other product. What I really want to know is how these other things feel. Because here are 2 different, or multiple different heads here. So we have kind of a pointy one, a little flatter one, the ball, and I'm going to call this the prong. Kind of like can't get it out, stuck in here. But this can go on either side of the spine, which is what I really like. So this way, if you have a patient out there, maybe they're a little bit uncomfortable, maybe you can't actually adjust them, so maybe you can just put this prong in there and kind of stimulate the actual area by the spine without actually having to adjust them. I'm going to go, just because I think on the front of the box it has this one, so I'm going to actually end up using this one. From what I read and what I heard about this, this does have a way to just kind of slide in there. It might be slightly magnetic, so let's find out. Doesn't seem to have too much magnetic in there, but it does create a suction. So maybe a little bit of magnet around. Yeah, when I pulled it out, it definitely gives me some resistance. So here it is. So this is what it looks like put on. You push this and it should go. That's level 2 and level 3. And that's how it slowly ramps down as well, so it doesn't just shut off. Just to give you guys a little bit of insight, I'm actually going to bring out the other one that I have here. So excuse me for getting up in the middle of this video, but I really think that you will see how loud versus not loud this is, and this is why we decided to get it. So this is another one we use in the office, so you can listen. I'm going to go on the highest setting here for this one. So that is the highest setting there, and here's one setting here. And on this recording here, I actually have an audio speaker right next to it showing how high. And so when I did this one, it only went up halfway. When I went up with this one, it went all the way to the top, and you probably can hear that. So if we put 3 at the same time, this one's definitely louder. So this was on the highest setting. This was just one setting, but this is really cool. Handheld, what I like about it is with this one you actually have to squeeze the trigger, so if I want my own back I have to kind of do this. This, I just press the on button and I can do it to my own back this way. Or, so I can change the angles without having to squeeze a trigger or anything like that. So this is the HyperIce Hypervolt, one of the new percussion tools on the market. I have a feeling that I'm going to spend most of my time using this one, and probably going to end up phasing this one out since it's so loud. And this does have 3 variable settings, so I don't see really why I would use this one if this is newer technology, has more interchangeable heads, is quieter, and does pretty much the same thing. So fairly same in price, but just better technology with this one. So it's got my vote, which is why I decided to buy it. So awesome product so far from this unboxing. Very, very similar to what I expected, especially out of their already products. So can't wait to give it another try, and I'm going to let you know how it feels at the end of this week. I'm going to let you guys know what patients are saying, and so stay tuned for that episode as well. So it'll give you kind of an update after I use it all throughout the whole week. Alright guys, I'm Dr. Josh Jagoda. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys for next episode. Bye.